Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Miss Dolly's English lesson. Today, we're going to start off with the grammar component. We're going to do 10 questions and then we are going to go through every one of them together. Let's begin. Let's get started. Who wants to read first? Who wants to read first? Vincent, dear.
Yes, I'm sorry. Erica was made to blank in bed the whole day as she was suffering from a bout of flu.
Now, what does a bout of flu mean? Not about flu, not A-B-O-U-T, but on its own and B-O-U-T on its own. So you are going to check what bout means. Quick, fingers do the talking. Let's see who gets there first. B-O-U-T, B-O-U-T. Come on, you people just came back from a holiday. Not all of you, some of you. B-O-U-T, B-O-U-T. I see all the pages flipping. Miss Dolly found? Okay, good. So, can you tell me exactly, according to what the sentence, find the correct meaning? Bout of flu. Okay, can you read it loud and clear, please?
Yes, bout, noun, a short period of illness or intense activity.
Okay, anybody else has something shorter or a synonym?
Yes, I also found it.
Okay,
A short period of illness.
that's it.
Yes, I'm sorry.
It's a noun.
Yes, I'm sorry. It's a noun.
Good. Everybody take out your... Anybody has a sentence?
No, I'm sorry.
Maxine?
Oh, sorry.
Yes, do you have a sentence, Miss Heidi Ho? Nobody has a sentence. But did you find the word?
Yes,
Does it also mean a period of sickness? Or is it illness?
a short period of illness.
Right?
Yes.
Okay, everybody, please write. What's the number? Before you even write on your vocabulary book, what number is it now?
81.
It's number 84. We are writing 84 now.
Okay, I have 83.
So now it's 84. So can you leave room and then do 84 right now? Leave room. Huh? Just go to the next page. Yes. No. What's on the other side?
Nothing.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, you don't have... Leave a few lines then.
Oh,
What's your last number?
81.
So 82, 83.
About 4
About 4 lines.
lines. Oh, thank you.
That's right. Okay. Mr. Vincent, can you read it for us, please?
Yes, I'm sorry. Bout, form of the word noun, a short period of illness.
May I give you a sentence, please?
Hold on, please.
Okay, I
Yes,
shall
sir.
hold on. Can you repeat that, my dear?
Yes, I'm sorry. A short period of illness.
Now, when your friend is reading, can the rest of you close your dictionaries? Because the rest of you, instead of listening, look at your dictionaries. Okay? Don't say who. We all have that interesting behavior, all of us. Okay? Now, let me give you the sentence.
Yes.
Yes, I'm sorry.
She was recovering. She was recovering from a bout of flu. F-L-U. Now, what is flu?
Opposite of.
Opposite? Wow, there is an opposite of flu? Unflu?
Cool.
It's not the opposite of flu. You mean flu is a cold. I see. So what do we call flu in Chinese? So, 感冒 and 流感, which one is flu?
The second one.
Because 感冒 is a cold. Correct?
Yes.
But it's similar in English though. Kind of. Huh? Okay, alright. Now, let's go back to question 1. Erica was made to blank in bed. So, which option is it?
Option 1.
Option 1 is lie. So, what does lie mean?
Rest. And just
You can rest sitting down, but what does lie
flat.
mean? Lie flat. So, what's another word for this way? What is this?
Vertical. Horizontal.
So to lie
1 minute.
horizontally. Okay, to lie horizontally.